In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove BDO from GCash. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app and how to safely unlink your BDO account in just a few taps. Before we begin, make sure you're connected to a stable internet network and that your GCash app is up to date. It also helps to be already logged in so you can move through the steps smoothly. Start by opening the GCash app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, look for the Profile section. Depending on your version of the app, you'll see Profile either on the bottom menu or near the top of the screen. Go ahead and tap Profile to open your account settings. Inside Profile, by idea, find and select My Linked Accounts. This is the area that lists all banks and partner services currently connected to your GCash. When the list appears, look for BDO. If your BDO account is linked, you'll see it there along with other linked services. Tap BDO to open the details for that connection. On the BDO details screen, look for the option to unlink. Tap Unlink and then confirm when the app asks you to proceed. After you confirm, GCash will remove the connection to your BDO account. In some cases, the app may ask you to verify the action or confirm your identity. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Once done, you should no longer see BDO listed under My Linked Accounts. A few quick notes to keep things clear. Unlinking BDO from GCash does not close your BDO account and it doesn't delete your GCash wallet. It simply removes the connection between them. After unlinking, you won't be able to use that BDO link for cash-in or transfers from within GCash unless you choose to link it again in the future. Completed transactions remain as they are. Unlinking won't affect them. If you don't see BDO in My Linked Accounts, it likely means the account isn't currently linked. If you see it, but the unlink option doesn't appear, try updating the GCash app and checking your internet connection. You can also restart your phone and try again. If the issue persists, open the GCash Help Center from within the app and follow the guided support options. Avoid sharing any sensitive information when seeking help. That's it. Open GCash, go to Profile, tap My Linked Accounts, select BDO and choose Unlink. Take a moment to confirm the connection is gone and you're all set. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your linked accounts with confidence.